PowerPoint. We'll be looking at the interface and how it works. So I have PowerPoint stored on my system. PowerPoint is by Microsoft, so if you have Microsoft Office installed, you should have PowerPoint. Once you open the PowerPoint, I'm using the 2016 edition, so you have all these options. It asks you if you want to create new or open a file. I have the files, the ones I've just done here, but then if you want to open a new one, you open a blank presentation. So once you open a blank presentation, you have this. Now, one beautiful thing about PowerPoint is that it's a presentation software for slides, where you can create slides, create animation, and you can use this to wow your clients. You can use it to introduce your company and do a lot of things. So here we have, on this tab, we have the title tab here, and we have here that is called the subtitle. The first slide, once you open, you have one slide, and the one slide that you have would have this title. If you want to create, now first we have up here the menu bar, and here we have the options, we have the properties bar, where everything you want to work with is here. You have a new slide and you have different slides here. So here the first thing we have is home. We have the file where you can do what you want to do, and if you want to open a new one, you open a new one. If you don't want to open a new one, sorry about that. So hello everyone, welcome to Brown Culture Academy, and we are going to be looking at the interface of PowerPoint today. If you have Microsoft Office on your system, you should have PowerPoint. So let's get started. Now if you want to open it, you go straight, you look for, here it's on my system, and I go to PowerPoint, you click on start. I'm using the 2016 version. So the first thing it asks if you want new or you want to open what you have created before. I want to start a new one, so I click on the blank option, and once you click on the blank option, you have this. Now we have up here, we have the menu bar and we have the properties bar here. Now here we have your workspace where you are going to be working. Everything you'll be doing will be here. So after the file, we have the file where you choose. Then we have the home. This is the home. We have the insert. Insert is if you want to bring in anything externally, or you want to insert something from inside PowerPoint. We will see how everything works as it goes. Design. Now design is, there are different templates that are already designed. So once you open, if you come here, you can see different designs. If you choose this design now, the workspace changes for you. If you choose this design, the workspace changes for you. You understand? We have different types of design. Now depending on what you want to do, this is where your creativity comes in, and where you apply the principles of design. So if you want to do a whole lot of designs, now transition has to do with how different slides go, how you move from one slide to the other, the way each slide is introduced. We have animations. Now this can be used on your text, on your object, on your pictures. Very beautiful. Slideshow. This is how you want to customize how your slideshow is, and you can also record it how it is. You have the record here. So we have a whole lot of things that you can do with this. So let's just do something small. So if you want to do anything, the first thing you see is this. So I think I want to change this slide, so I go to design. Let me choose something simple. I think I like this. So here we have a title. Now if you are choosing this title, you can come here and say PowerPoint. Let me use all caps, PowerPoint. Now we have a subtitle. You can say PowerPoint training. Now it has already chosen the colors for you, but you can still change this color, right? You can change this color. So if you want to move to another slide, you just click on the new slide, see, and you have the title here, new slide. So if you have some of your text that you want, you can just say we just started, or then let me just bring in some text somewhere and add. Okay, let me bring text from here. Let me bring some text from here, so this can be used as samples for you. Okay, so I put in my text. You see how it looks. So we have this, you create slide, and if you want to create a new slide, once you click on this on a slide, you just right click, it will say new slide, and you create. And that's how you create it down. That's how simple PowerPoint is. That's the interface. So if you want to know more about how it works, moving from one transition to the other, you check our next video and you will see how it is. But here, this is how you can create a file and you open from slide to slide. Then if you want to save, you just come to file, you see new, open, save as. You come to save as. If you have a place you want to save it to here already, you click it. But if you don't, you just click on browse. So I want to save in a folder called Brown Culture Academy, and I want to save it in training. So it has already chosen the name that I chose for the heading PowerPoint, but if you want another name, you can change it. Let's say I just want to name it another name. I clear it and I say slide. You want to make sure that here you have it as PowerPoint presentation PPX. You can change it in other format, PowerPoint show, and different format as it is, depending on what you want. So once you click save, your slide is saved. So that is that about PowerPoint. So to know more, check the next video.